The last and biggest piece in Qatar's World Cup stadium jigsaw. It's one the country has been piecing together for more than a decade. Lusail Stadium will host the final of football's most important international tournament at the end of this year. Its official opening saw the Saudi Arabian and Egyptian league champions meet in the Lusail Super Cup. Fans getting a taste of what's to come when the World Cup kicks off in November.
What's keeping you awake at night at this point in terms of the final preparations?
Everything. Everything keeps me awake at night. No, look, I mean, you know, I was actually talking to somebody a few days ago. It's you know, the feeling just before an exam, you've studied enough, but in the last half an hour, you're swatting up even more. I think that's where we're at right now. We're ready, we're confident, but again, you know, you can never be too ready.
While 80,000 fans attended this match, hundreds of thousands of supporters are expected to be in the country for the World Cup. For many, finding affordable accommodation during the tournament remains a concern.
The official accommodation portal has enough inventory for all budgets of all fan types. They want $80 apartments, they want to live in caravans, they want to live in fan villages. All these are available on the portal.
Argentina versus Saudi Arabia will be the first of 10 World Cup matches played at Lusail Stadium, a meeting of countries and continents that will be replicated across Qatar for the duration of the 29-day tournament.
We're talking about creating a bond in a very, very special tournament in a very special place in a very, very special part of the world. And hopefully in 2023, 2024, people from South America will be able to pick up the phone and call friends from Egypt, from Saudi, from Qatar, from Norway, celebrating together and reliving these moments.
The stadium has now witnessed its first title win. Football's most famous trophy will be taking centre stage here at the World Cup final on December the 18th.
With all 8 stadiums officially open, Qatar has demonstrated it's ready to host World Cup football matches. It now has just over 2 months to finalise its preparations to welcome, accommodate and entertain more than 1 million fans from around the globe. Andy Richardson, Al Jazeera at Lusail Stadium.